To enable or disable battery protection on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings you want to proceed to battery, and then over here in battery settings we should be able to go to the battery protection option. Of course, the battery protection option itself can be easily enabled or disabled by tapping on this switcher over here, but also the battery protection allows you to choose between basic and maximum battery protection. In the case of basic battery protection, the phone can still charge to 100%, but if you have 100%, if you charge to 100% and the power adapter is still connected, the phone will stop charging, and when you drop to 95%, then the battery is going to be charged to 100% back again. And the maximum battery protection just set up a limit that cannot be exceeded. So you can set it to 80, 85, 90, or 95%. So if you charge your phone, you can only charge to that percentage. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.